Guys, really quickly, I want to show you how to short a bear flag. Come inside with me and check it out. I'm glad you stuck around. Let's get in here and get on the computer so I can show you how to short that bear flag. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump in this video here. Before we move further, do me a quick favor, hit that like button for me, it really helps out tremendously, and subscribe to the YouTube channel here. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live and when I upload my videos. I upload about 3 videos a week and I go live Monday through Thursday, soon to be Monday through Friday. And I do that live 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. pre-market so we can set up those pre-market watch lists. Now I told you I'd show you here really quickly how to trade or how a bear flag is traded. All right, and there's a few different ways to trade a bear flag. We're going to go over 1 or 2 different ways in this video, but I want you to know I just put out my shorting course. It's going to be in the members dashboard over at the daytraderchatroom.com, and DTC Pro students have access to that course. They have access to every single course I ever come out with at DTC. The DTC Pro students, locked in price and access to every single course. Now let's go ahead and let me show you really quickly how to short a bear flag. So a bear flag is typically, as you see here, a pattern just like the bull flag, but just reversed. You see right here, it's clear as day on here. You can see, boom, it looks just like a bull flag, but it's in reverse. Now, how do you trade this? Well, you know what? First things first, let me make myself a little bit smaller. Boop. That way you can see the volume. And let's zoom in just a little bit more. There we go. And here you can see AMC. Now AMC was on a bit of a downtrend here, and it bounced off of an important daily level here at $20, $21. Gave you a big bounce and a rejection of the 200-day moving average. Now the reason why you see this box here is because I was showing everyone that we were getting a death cross on the daily chart. We were not only getting the death cross, but we were also having ourselves a small bear flag formation here. Now typically on the bear flag formation, what you want to see is, here's your flagpole, you want to see volume increase, and you can see right here how the volume started to increase. You see the volume steadily going upwards. Now you have your flagpole, and now you have your flag. Throughout the flag, all right, it's consolidation. Now we're consolidating here at the lows. You're going to want to see this volume start to decrease as we consolidate here, and then the moment you get the breakdown and out of the flag, you want to start to see that volume increase. Sounds very much like trading a bull flag, right? Well, it's because it's very similar. The only thing that changes is the direction. With a bull flag, you're going to want to trade for the long side, looking for extension, and for the bear flag, you're trading toward, with the direction to the downside, trying to take advantage of a move going lower via shorts or puts, completely up to you and what's available as well, because sometimes some stocks are hard to borrow and you're only left with put options, or maybe just left with paper trading it so you can practice trading the pattern. Now, here you have AMC breaking down and out of the bear flag. Like I said, there's a few different ways to trade this pattern. One of the ways is, is by waiting for the breakdown and out of the flag. In this case here, you would just watch and watch and watch, and when you break down and out of the flag, boom, you would open your short position, and where would the stop be? Oh, Jesse, what's a stop, you might ask? A lot of people don't even realize you need a stop loss if you're actively trading. You can't just short this and hold it and forget about it. So you would have a stop loss area, an area where if the stock reaches to, right, it's called max pain, and you're going to get out of that position because it might be, at that case, either about to chop around or reverse on you. So in this case here, since you're shorting the breakdown and out of the flag, your stop would typically be, in my opinion, how I said it, inside of the flag. Meaning if the stock breaks back inside the flag, I would go ahead and stop out of that position and cover my short or sell out of my puts if I was long put options. Okay, so that would be the number one way. Well, not the number one way, but one of the ways, all right, that you can trade a bear flag. Now, what you want to see when you break down and out of the flag is you want to see the volume start to increase. You can see here, if you follow my mouse, you see the volume starts to increase. The reason why that's important is because anytime the volume is increasing in one direction or the other, it's trying to tell you that there is a significant chance that you will have continuation in that direction at some point here in the near future. In this case here, you have downside momentum, increasing volume to that downside momentum, telling you, hey, there's a good shot here that you're going to have continuation in the direction that you are expecting, right? So you did get direction. You got not only the breakdown out of the flag, you got the breakdown underneath the support zone, and the very next day, since this is a daily chart, you had extension to the downside well past the support zone, and you had very nice increasing volume. So that's how you would trade a bear flag formation. Now that way of trading the bear flag, in my opinion, is a little bit more of an aggressive way of trading it, okay? Because you're basically trading a breakout to the bottom, right? To the downside, because you're breaking that support zone, boop, and then you're getting in that position, and you're looking to write it down. So it is a little bit more aggressive. It's almost like buying a break out of a bull flag, all right? Now, there are other ways of trading a bear flag, and I teach these in the course at the DTC, at the daytraderchatroom.com, and that's all, like I said, always available to DTC Pro students. So you want to make sure that you check that out, and there's a link in the description and the comment section. Now I'm going to show you another quick way on how to possibly trade a bear flag, all right? There's obviously more ways, and I teach those in the course here. So another way to do this, to get this done, would be to enter a starter position inside of the flag at some point. You'll enter your short inside of this flag, and it would be a starter position, okay? Meaning a feeler position, sometimes people call them, meaning it's just going to be a small amount of the shares you want. Let's say you were just going to short about 100 shares of this stock. Let's just use that number. Well, you can short 10, maybe 25 shares of the stock while it's inside that flag, and hold your stop above the flag consolidation on that starter, and then you would add to full size on the breakdown and out, like, you know, how typical we just talked about buying, or in this case, shorting the breakdown. Well, you would add to full size on the breakdown, and then you would set your whole stop loss of, you know, if it broke back inside the flag. So you would take a starter somewhere in here, an add with your final 90 to 75% of your shares that you want as we break down. And then you put your stop on the entire thing if it breaks back inside the flag. Some people would only sell out what they added and then hold on to their starter. You know, me personally, at that point, I would be reevaluating the trade. So I would stop out of everything if we broke back inside the flag, and then follow up, take profits as we extend. Now, that's another way of trading the bear flag formation. Now, your profit targets, I go over in detail in the courses, but, you know, you're going to set those up ahead of time. You're going to set those up with orders that you're going to put out ahead of time, if you like, based off of daily levels, intraday levels, combination thereof, where you think the stock might bounce. So those are two of the ways that I would say that a bear flag can be traded, and how I trade them. There are more ways, and there are more ways that, like, I trade them and I go over in the course. All right, any questions, let me know. Drop it in the comment section below for me, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Well, guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live and when I upload my next video. Also, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your favorite bearish pattern is. And remember, check out the courses at the daytraderchatroom.com. I hope to see you there.